Hi, I'm Maya,
And I'm Scooter!
and today we're going to teach you about rainforests. And
You know what?
What?
My favorite song is named Rainforest.
Okay.
Rainforest, rainforest, this is what we know. Now.
Okay, beautiful.
Thank you.
But let's teach the kids on
Ultimate
Journey!
Gotcha!
So there are many different habitats that tons of different animals live in, but today we're going to talk about four.
Four.
The jaguar, the toucan, the anaconda, and the sloth.
Sloth. You know what?
What?
Every time I clean my room, my mother calls me a sloth.
That might be because you're as slow as a sloth. But that's okay.
How rude.
So first is the jaguar. And jaguars like to spend a lot of their time on the ground looking for prey to eat. But if they need to, they can climb up trees and search up high for prey to eat. And second, the toucan. Toucans like to live up high in the trees just to scout all the different prey to eat.
You know what?
What?
You know who's my favorite toucan?
What?
The one is cereal box of Fruit Loops.
Sam the toucan? Toucan Sam?
Sam,
I know.
the toucan.
Yeah.
Toucan Sam.
Very, very funny.
Thank you.
And third is the anaconda. Now, anacondas are quite huge, so they like to stay on the ground. I know, a little scary. But they like to stay in the water mostly and find all their prey in the water.
Wow, anacondas swim?
Very much so.
Wow.
And fourth, the sloth. Now, your mom might have called you a sloth because you were slow, just like them. They are slow to conserve their energy and they like to stay up high, so not a lot of people try to.
I need to talk to my mom. I'm trying to conserve my energy.
Well, that's what sloths do too. I hope you guys had a lot of fun learning about rainforests with me and Scooter today. Did you?
Yes, I learned a lot. Like, I'm a sloth and
And what?
I'm scared of anacondas.
I mean, so am I. And I hope to see you all next time on
Ultimate Journey! Yeah!